In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play American Woman, even if you're a beginner on the piano. So there's basically two parts to this song that I'm going to break down now. You have the left hand, then you have the melody in the right hand. So let's work on just the left hand first. It starts on E as the bass with a fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the key of E. And then you're going to repeat the octave. So you have E's on the outside with pinky and thumb, with the second finger playing the B for the fifth. And you have that rhythm, and then you move everything down by one. This is D, A, and D. So try that if you're by a piano now. So that happens like this, 2, 3. And then the right hand goes. So we have the interval of a fourth. The actual melody is, but I kind of think it sounds nice to add a little bit of harmony here. So we're going to have fourths E and A, moving down to D and G. Side note, whenever I spell anything, it's always from the bottom up. Okay, so E and A, D and G. So it would be like this, 2, 3. So the first note, E, is by itself, and then the harmony is added. Okay? That's B, 2 notes on B, D, E. So it's really slow altogether. It goes 2, 3, a 2 and a 3. That's B, D, E, D, G. Or you can do 2 notes, B, B, D, E. Okay, and I don't know if you just noticed that, but I just kind of switched. You see how I went from that to that. And that's actually really common, especially if you're playing organ and on piano as well. But just maneuvering the hand, positioning the fingering around to anticipate what happens next. So I like this movement going between these two positions, but I know that I want to keep it sustained and have my thumb ready for B. Okay, so get used to keeping the keys down as you change fingers. That's a super important part of playing the piano. And it happens according to each situation. Here you see switch again. Okay? So all together, and this takes a little bit of coordination. I'll do it slow, but it goes like this. So practice that as a great way to get some hand coordination together. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning the whole song, I actually wrote out a very simple beginner arrangement, including the verse section, which is available for purchase on the musicpack.com website. I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you're still watching this video, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not already connected. And actually, you know what? Leave a comment and let me know what song you'd like to learn. Maybe that'll be the next video. All right, y'all, till next time. Peace.